guys may know yesterday I posted how to draw the world map. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to draw the U.S. States. So this is the easy way. So if you see other videos, that everybody do, like they mostly start like with Washington, they start with California. They would start like at the edges, but I would start from Florida and you go on the border and you go in the middle and stuff, and then you go to the end, which is Maine. And I'll just show you how. So let's get started. Guys, first off, all you want to do is, of course, find something to draw with. So I found this pen, and all you want to do is start with Florida. Now, I might need to zoom in, so all you want to do is start with Florida. So you want to make this little curved part, and then you want to go to the bottom and make like a little line right here, and then you want to go up. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, then you want to go like this, like that, and then you want to go up here, and then you want to go like that. Then you want to make this curve up and then make it like that, and then like that, and then you want to make it like this, and then you make Alabama. You make it like that. You want to put 2 like that, and you want to do it like that. After that, alright, let me move the paper. And then after that, you want to make Mississippi, so you want to put it right there. And then you want to make Louisiana. Then you want to make Texas. Then you want to make Oklahoma and Arkansas. Then you want to make Tennessee. Then you want to make North Carolina. You want to make it like this, okay? Let me move the paper again. You want to make New Mexico. Then you want to make California. Okay. Then you want to make Oregon and try to make that. Then you want to make Washington. Oh, sorry. Let me just move that. Hey guys, this might be a problem, so let me just try to... Okay guys, give me one second. I cut you off. Anyways, this is how you're gonna draw it. So, sorry guys, I'm kind of sweating because it's really hot in Hawaii. So anyways, you want to make Utah. You want to make it like that, and then like that. Then you want to make Idaho, so you want to make like that. You want to make Jiggies like that, and you want to do it like that. And then you want to make a line right here. Make it go all the way up to here. And then what you want to do next is you want to make it like that. And then make Montana. Then you want to make Nebraska. Then you want to make Kansas, and then you want to make North Dakota, then South Dakota, and then you want to make Missouri. Then you want to make Kentucky. Then you want to make Idaho and Virginia. Then Illinois, like that. And then you want to make Indiana. Then you want to make Ohio, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, Maryland. And then afterwards, you want to make Minnesota, Wisconsin, and then Michigan. Then you want to make New York, and then New Jersey, then Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts. This is New Hampshire, Vermont, and Maine. Might look off, but it's kind of similar. And I forgot something. Let's add Alaska. Might look off. Might look really weird. And then you want to make Hawaii. Guys, that's the whole United States.